Hi, my name is Nicholas. I'm working for Adekia. We have a partnership with Axelor, which is an ERP system with many functionalities.
What does it mean, low code?
Okay, so they have an approach of the possibility to edit very simply the software, so without deep development. For example, they have a studio which you can drag and drop new field stuff and editing new all the screens you have. They also have a BPM workflow which can edit a specific workflow so that I don't know if you have.
What do you say, BPM? VPN? What do you say?
BPM, Business Process Management.
Yeah?
It's the way of describing a process so that you can edit and create specific workflow around some flow. For the purchase, for example, if you want to create a validation process on the purchase, you can create a specific workflow with a validation workflow, for example, for that.
Is it a WYSIWYG or is it also like a prompt where you say, I want this to do this, and it will customize the software for you?
For that, we are more on the AI part. It's a project at the moment. They are working with the BI actually, saying to understand how the data is structured in the ERP, and for example, asking make me a dashboard of the numbers that we have for November, for example, and the idea is to be able to create dashboard with the AI. It's an ongoing project, very exciting project actually. That's a bit the goal to be able to.
And what do we see here? All these presentations is for the Swiss market here. You talk about solutions, or?
Yeah, it's more to give you idea of what it's doing. Actually, you have the possibility to have an integrated BI. You have an integrated module that can make APIs. We are working for the manufacturing, stock management, also companies that are doing more services more than goods. Well, that's it. Give you a bit of a big picture of what.
How would you talk about your competitor and how are you special in the market? What you're doing?
Good question. I would say our view is to a company give a good service around the project. Our idea is not just to make an installation, give you the key, the logging, and there you go. We accompany the customer just to have a big understanding of what he is doing, and to accompany him to be able to grow within the system, and be able also to create new functionalities, new stuff, and that's what we do.
This kind of technology can really increase the revenue and profits in companies, right?
It is.
If it's used correctly. So it's a big value add, right?
The goal is to be more efficient, to be able to connect various software, to avoid data duplication, for example. You have, and all the goal is to centralize. That's a bit of the goal of an ERP, is to centralize all the data within one system and having some connection eventually with others, and to be more efficient and create value around that.
And where are you based?
So we are based in Belgium and France, and we are working at various projects around Europe, more specifically in Belgium, France, and Switzerland.